hi.
Hey.
What you doing?
I'm sitting at this wonderful table doing my mystery duty of correcting student concerns.
Yeah, I couldn't really hear you because of that guy. It'll go on my vlog for today. Yay! I really want to watch this. Because of Nick Jonas. Did you see that part already?
It's worth it.
Jess! Jess! Jess!
I have spaghetti. I love spaghetti.
It's not my spaghetti.
All that's in here is spaghetti.
It's not my spaghetti.
Is it full of spaghetti? No. Oh, I thought it was like spilling over.
Just like full, all spaghetti.
We're going to the waterfront. Because she needs to go to Giant Eagle.
Because I'm out of groceries. I need groceries. Yay! Adult shit.
It's supposed to come in 1 minute. Yeah.
What is going on?
I'm just trying to get comfortable. I'm just trying to get comfortable.
Don't make me step in between this.
What's the problem?
You'd like that one.
I'm just trying to. I'm just trying to.
I have to keep doing that.
Ow! This hurts.
Move your leg down.
This is good.
Good morning.